In our Washington Wonderland video, we visited this Fremont troll, the troll under the bridge. We found that there were other trolls in the areas by an artist called Thomas Dambo. Now he named this series The Way of the Bird King.
We went to meet Jacob Two Trees in Issaquah, Washington, and fell in love with the whimsical creature. He was made with Thomas Dambo and the Salish Native American tribe working in conjunction with each other. The Native Americans even made a clasp for his ponytail.
Problem was, it was winter, and it was time for us to get out of Washington and head for warmer weather. But believe me, we're going to be back to see the rest of it.
Lucky for us, the last of the trolls in the Way of the Bird King series was in Portland, Oregon. We were driving right by it.
Ollie Bolly peeks into the window of a house where the smell of fresh baked cookies called to him. He is Denise's personal favorite.
They built a little village to show where he stumbled into the neighborhood. Where are we, Robert?
We're in Palisades, Palace something or other in
Palos
California.
Verdes.
Palos Verdes. And we're here at the troll exhibition. We love trolls, as you know.
Yes, Thomas Dambo has an exhibit here for 6 trolls.
6 trolls.
And we're coming to see all of them.
Yeah. This group of 6 trolls is touring the US in an exhibit called Save the Humans. In order to find all the trolls, you had to follow the birdhouses.
Each troll has a name and a specific job to help humans better take care of the earth. Ibby Pip was a larger-than-life advocate, helping homeless birds find houses.
Back on Birdhouse Trail, we're going to find the rest of Ibby Pip's friends.
Bassa Buller is the wild child explorer of the bunch.
Rosa Sunfinger brings life back to things that we've thrown away.
Ranja Redeye is a natural leader who speaks with compassion.
Kamakan, the creative one, has his hands full of treasure found in our local dumps.
Safas Lotus, the last of the Save the Humans series, keeps her ears to the ground listening to the earth. These friends were heading for Philadelphia the next day. Thomas Dambo has 100 trolls scattered all around the world.
We're now on a troll hunt, and we're going back to the places that we've been before just so that we can see Thomas Dambo's creation.
Big Rusty is one of the few trolls made out of metal and cement, very fitting for his surroundings.
Thomas Dambo doesn't have trolls just in the US. They're all over the world. Here's some samples.
Of course, most of Dambo's trolls are gathered in their native country of Denmark.
Don't forget to check out Thomas Dambo's website. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like our videos, please press the subscribe button.